Hello everyone, today we're at Sanhe Warehouse to check out the LIUGONG W915E Wheeled Excavator. This is a 15-ton wheel excavator. It has LIUGONG's classic orange and yellow colors. Looks very strong. With wheels, it can move fast on roads. No trailer needed. It has a Cummins F4.5 engine. The rated power is 108 kilowatts. It meets China Stage 4 emission with DOC plus DPF. It's complete and powerful. The cab is roomy, the seat is comfortable, and the control levers are light. You won't feel tired even working all day. The bucket is large, it digs and loads fast, and uses less fuel than older models, but works better. It's very useful on site. To sum up, the LIUGONG W915E is complete, powerful, fuel efficient, and easy to move. It's a reliable wheel excavator in the 15-ton class. Leave the comments if you like it. This is Roseki from RICHMCHN. See you next time.